Okay, so I will start my presentation by introducing project 2, which is crafting skin. The skin facade I designed is actually a passive cooling system by using evaporation process. It is inspired by the unique characteristic of Labu Siam, which is the cooling effect of water that fell in Labu Siam. So for this one is the introduction of pottery that under the ceramic categories. There are few products of pottery like stoneware, porcelain and earthenware that is common to us. Now this one is the other development of my skin. So there's three basic points for my skin. The first one is the cylinder, and then the second one is the sphere, and then the third one is the leveling of Labu Siam. I combine the three basic points for my skin to form a basic shape for the skin. So my understanding, skin is a kind of facade that protects an interior spaces. It links me to the function of a fence. The final model of my skin, it combines the chaotic arrangement of the wire from the first model and applied on the secondary support. For project 3, we need to design a cultural center in Pura Tanjung Sabtu. For the program in cultural center, it is more likely to a workshop because previously Pura Tanjung Sabtu aims to be a focal point for the teaching of traditional arts and cottage industries. So there is a workshop that employ locals to work on it. The main program in Culture Center is to understand the process of pottery making. So I provide a few important spaces for pottery like wheel throwing area, trimming area, glazing area and kiln area, which is important spaces for pottery making. So this one is the first design development for my culture center. The reason why I have the kiln area at the bottom of the building is because I want the people to understand the process before they try to make it on their own. The circulation in the building is connected by using ramp because it allows people to transport the raw material or finished product to specific spaces without any obstruction. So this slide is about the arrangement of spaces in the building. As you can see, the arrangement of space is actually according to the making process of pottery. So this one is the building form for my design first development, and beside it is the initial arrangement for my final design development. So this one is the final development for my culture center. The purpose of this culture center is to preserve the traditional crafting skill created by the older generation of artisans. This new extension is more likely to a multi-function rural culture center with provisions for exhibition, classes, workshops, and community gathering. The building I choose for my case study is In Bamboo. In Bamboo is one of the buildings in Bamboo Craft Village. This project shows how architecture can interact with tradition. It has attracted more and more artists who are willing to return to the countryside for artistic creation. The concept for this building is about the relationship of inside and outside, bamboo and tiles, new and old. The most interesting part for this building is that how this building combines with the nature. The design concept for my final design development is to be with the nature. The reason why I choose this concept for my final design development is because previously the complex sits on 14 acres of family land located next to the Narus River, and the land is surrounded by orchard and landscape garden. So I choose to preserve the vegetation that stays on the site. The design intention for my final design development is to provide a space to pass down the traditional crafting skills to the younger generation by the artisans. And also I want to provide a quiet space for artisans to seek for new ideas for artistic creation. The most important one is to provide a space for the people staying in city to experience rural country life. The reason why I choose this as one of my design intention is because previously Tengku Ismail has opened 3 houses to guests who desire to experience a country style homestay. So I think it's a good choice to remain the function as a homestay for Puratan and Sabtu because they can enjoy a short vacation and at the same time they can learn some traditional crafting skill from the culture center. So for this one is the design development for my final design. And the next part is the floor plan, elevation and section for my final design. This is a short walkthrough video for my building.